Hello, I'm Jason Soliskar. This is a tutorial from Teacher Technology Tutorials. Today we're going to talk about Weebly.com. Weebly.com is an easy website builder where you can build your class website or your personal website from scratch with ease. It has easy drag and drop features so we can move around and customize your website the way you want it. So let's go ahead and dive in this first tutorial in how do we create our domain name to get us going on the web. So let's go ahead and do that. So here we have Weebly.com. Weebly.com has a video on its page that you can watch. You have some features that it talks about, but what we want to look at is at the bottom of the footer where it says education. You want to click on that link. That link takes us to education.weebly.com. Here is where you'll log in and create your account by username, password, and email. You'll accept the terms and sign up. Easy enough. What's different about the education component is that you can create student accounts. Not only can you build your website, but your students can build their websites also. And you can do that within a safe environment. You can control their websites on who sees it, who doesn't see it. So it is a nice feature to where not only you can build your websites, but your students can too. So let's go ahead and start building ours. So here, once you log in and create your account, you'll have your cPanel, which you see right here. You can see some of the websites that I've been working on here. But for our sake, for this tutorial, we're going to add a site. So we're going to click on Add Site. And this is where we pick the title for our website. This will probably be the toughest part of building your website, is just thinking of the title of whatever your website is. So usually it's Mr. Soliskar class website or something to that nature. So for the sake of this tutorial, let's just go with Mr. Soliskar class website. Okay, and you can put spaces in between there because this is not your URL quite yet. We're going to do that in the next step. So you can have space in between your title of your website. So the type of site that you have is education. Category, this is a teacher website, so we're going to click teacher. And you have several options there: class project, school, informational, or other. And as you click continue, the next step is your domain. You have several choices here. You can create your subdomain, which would be Mr. Soliskar class website. And what's nice is that it tells you if your domain is available. In this case, Mr. Soliskar class website is available. The first choice here, the subdomain is Mr. Soliskar class website.weebly.com. That's what your parents, your students, or whoever wants to go to your website would type in. That is your URL. Mr. Soliskar class website.weebly.com. That's free. If you want to use that, that's your choice. Or what you can do is you can register a domain. So maybe you don't want .weebly.com. You don't want Mr. Soliskar class website.weebly.com. You just want Mr. Soliskar class website. So you can go ahead and register that domain if it's available. In this case, it's available. And you can also make a choice if it's .com, .net, or .org. And then you'd pay for that domain name. So in the next step, you would pay for that domain name. Or maybe you already have a domain. Maybe you already have Mr. Soliskar class website and you want to bring that into your Weebly site for this purpose. You can do that. But for this tutorial, we're going to stick with our subdomain of weebly.weebly.com. So Mr. Soliskar class website.weebly.com. So if you're looking at this page, congratulations. You set up your class title or your website title for your website. You've set up the domain, and now you're ready to start building. So watch the other tutorials. We'll start building using the elements. We'll pick a theme and we'll add pictures. So congratulations, you have your website up and running. Let's go ahead and start building. So thanks for watching this first tutorial for Weebly.com from Teacher Technology Tutorials. My name is Jason Soliskar.